Okay, so I'm doing breakfast prep again because I just ran out of my blueberry French toast that was cooked the lazy way in the oven. So check out my YouTube channel for that whole recipe and video and directions. It's great. But I have to go to the gym. I'm in a hurry. So I was like, what do I have on hand? And I had bought these to-go packs of low sugar Quaker oats, the variety packs from Sam. So I have a whole bunch of them. Okay, and I brought them here with me to Connecticut. So I'm like, you know what? I can do something with that. Of course, I have my blueberries. I had some yogurt, zero sugar Chobani, and some protein powder. This is cake flavor. I think angel food cake, yeah. So it's gonna be really good. So I wanted to show y'all. Now I'm prepping for 3 days. Okay, I have my containers, but I just want to show you one really quick, and all you gotta do is duplicate that. It's super fast. Okay, so this is cinnamon and spice. Scissors. Got that, dump it, boom, that's done. So we'll just do this way. Half a cup yogurt. This flavor that's even better. In there. Okay, and I'm going to do blueberries. Now I kept these in the refrigerator because wash off my spoon. I put these in the refrigerator because I just like it better when they aren't frozen. These are going to sit overnight, so if you have frozen fruit, that is totally fine. But I forgot to put these back in the freezer, to be honest. So this is what we got: half cup, boom. Good. And then this is 1 scoop of protein powder. Boom. And then you'll need some almond milk. Oh, it's already out. Now, if you have regular milk, that's fine. It's just more calories, okay? And then we're gonna do a half a cup. Same. And then we're going to mix it all together. This is what I do when I don't have a lot of time to meal prep, okay? Especially for breakfast. Now, if I had a crock pot here, I would do a lot of crock pot stuff because you just toss it all together and forget about it. All right. Now, this looks not that great right now, but it's the oats are going to absorb the extra moisture, okay, from the almond milk, and then even some from the blueberries, and it's going to be nice and thick, and this is going to fill me up so nicely, and it's so good for you, and it's tasty. Even that tastes so good. Now you can use any fruit you want, frozen or not, any kind of milk you want. I choose unsweetened almond milk. That's just my preference. It's also really low in calories, so I'm trying to slim up a little bit. It's really easy to do. Oats. These are quick oats. A lot of recipes will call for steel cut oats or a thicker oat that's not the quick oats. Y'all, I don't care. I don't really taste that much of a difference in the texture. So I just use whatever I have, okay? And I happen to have the quick oats on hand. And then I wanted some protein, and I just had a protein powder, so I just used that. That was like the simplest thing for me. You don't have to use protein powder. You can use seeds, any kind of nuts. Yeah, and even a regular milk has some protein in it. The almond milk has 1 gram of protein, but doesn't count. So be creative. Look up online. There's all kind of recipes and stuff that you can do. It's just like a chili, okay? Similar to that. You just whatever you like, you toss it in there, all right, and you just let it sit. But that is it. This is going straight into the fridge, and I'm just going to grab and go in the morning.